What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to give you guys a little walkthrough on how to rebuild the top end on a Cr125 motor. This motor is an 02 bottom end with a 1997 top end. It also is a 144 that's been ported and polished. The reason it's a 1997 top end is because the 97 motor was a lot better in horsepower numbers than the 02. So whoever built this motor was obviously looking to get the best combination they could. So the first step you're going to want to do is take off the cylinder head nuts, and then followed by the power valve cover here. After you get that off, there'll be a rubber gasket and just regular gasket. I like to lay everything out so it's organized on the way I took it off, so I remember where all the parts and pieces go. So taking this power valve linkage bolt out here, you're going to want to probably hold it with something to break it loose. It'll just be a nut and a washer, and then the power valve arm should pop out. The next thing you're going to want to do is remove the cylinder base nuts. There'll be 4 of these. Gonna need a wrench to get in there in the power valve cover one. You can just unscrew these, take them off. Then after that, your cylinder should be loose and ready to pop right off. And that is basically it. So with this motor, I just used a bunch of Scotch-Brite pads and also the Scotch-Brite attachment for the Dremel to get everything looking like that. Then I also polished up some of the covers, but then on the engine case covers I powder coated them with a flat black. The reason I didn't do any powder coating videos because I didn't really know what I was doing myself, so I wasn't educated enough to make a video for you guys on it. But anyways, so for putting the bike back or the motor back together, you're gonna need some 2-stroke oil, some grease for the gaskets, and then a torque wrench, and basically all the other tools you use taking it apart. So I'll just let you guys sit back and watch me put this thing together. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the video here. Right now I'm just tightening down the head bolts. You want to snug these down in a crisscross pattern so you don't do any warpage to the head. Once you get them snug, then you can torque them down to 20 foot-pounds, which is the same as the base bolts. Also torque these in a crisscross pattern as well. But after this, you're just going to want to put in the spark plug, and that's pretty much it for the top end rebuild. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching.